So, just figured I'd make a video to show you guys the shaft play. I don't think that's normal. Although it did have some. It's brand new. Has, like I said, 400 kilometers on it. Let's see if I can do this here. Blew the intercooler tubing off on a wide open throttle pull, like 16, 17 psi at 5,000 RPM, so I don't know if that's what did it. It's getting plenty of oil. I seriously don't know what's going on, like why it died so fast. It was making that whining sound like a dentist drill. You could hear it on decel, but it was definitely on acceleration too after I realized. I'm not sure if it was contacting there. Kind of looks like it might have been. At any rate, it's in pretty good shape, so I think I should be able to get away with a rebuild, hopefully. I'm not sure if that's normal, like, it's not too much, but if it was making a whining sound, I mean, I guess I mean, it's gotta be shot.